Hey, John.
Hello. Who drank all my beer and alcohol?
That was you. You partied pretty hard the other night.
Yeah. Party all the time, party all the time. John McCartney Paul Lennon parties all the time. What?
So
What's with the strange looks?
what got going on here? Huh?
What is going on around that area? I don't know.
Well, you're probably wondering about my hat situation. Because...
Well, what's going on down there?
Down
Down here.
that proximity.
Oh yeah. Whose foot boots are these?
Those are mine.
Those are smarts.
Those
Those
are
are shoes.
Is what they're called.
I'm wondering what's going on with the pants situation up there.
What is?
Or lack
Pants.
of pants.
Well, if you're wondering about the pants, I don't have any because my tailor's gone missing, and so is my hairstyle cutterist. So she can't cut my hair, so I look like one of you, savage, walking around with no pants, no hair, and I still have more money than you, so that's something.
Why are you holding that pillow?
Well, it says Roxy, and I believe I had at least 3 women named Roxy, and they all left the pillow. Oh, there's another pillow that says Roxy, I guess. Yeah.
Are you worried that's the same woman? It seems
No.
remarkably similar in the handwriting.
No, but look, the color's all wrong, and this one's vertical. So, clearly not the same. That's not important.
Okay.
What is important, though, is the mail, and this says Christy on it, and that isn't a person that lives here.
That's our neighbor.
That is the neighbor.
It does make...
Brunette, glasses.
Yes. You just described the male woman, which I took this from. Just find this person and give the mail to her, because I have a moral compass and I don't like keeping other people's mail from them. So figure it out! What are those for?
These are crutches. I broke my leg.
What?
We're not invincible like you, John.
What? Legs do not break, Marcus. That's why they're called legs. Leg is English for unbreakable, unstoppable leg.
Do you really want to see how broken my leg is?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Drop the pants.
I'll show you.
Oh my God. Alright, I was wrong.
Yeah, you were. It's broken. Look at that.
Pull up your pants, please.
Okay.
That's probably the most disturbing and disgusting thing I've ever witnessed in my life. And my life consists of almost entirely disgusting and disturbing things. You disgust me, Marcus.
Dude, what are
And
you
you
doing? Hey!
don't deserve these crutches.
There you go. Come on.
Good. Good.
I've been such a jerk for the past few days.
You wanna know why, Jeffrey?
Yes,
You
I
wanna
do.
know why, Marcus?
Yeah.
I'll tell you why. You two forgot my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to John McCartney Paul Lennon. Happy birthday to you.
You didn't tell tell anyone when your birthday
We
was.
didn't know.
I told you explicitly, as clearly as anyone could possibly tell anyone that it was my birthday. Forward.
Well, you didn't tell us at all. When did you tell us it was your birthday?
Well, I've made it extremely clear that I love carpet. Is that true or false?
Yes, you have said many times you love your carpet.
Indeed I have. And what do you see right here, both of you?
Carpet product?
It is a can of Love My Carpet.
Yes.
And if you pull on this, you'll find a neat flashlight apparatus.
And black light?
A black, yeah, it's blue, but okay. And if you come over here, both of you.
Oh, that's great. That's funny stuff.
Yeah, well. What do we have here?
4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42.
42.
Yeah, those are the numbers from Lost.
I love that show!
Those are the numbers to my life. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think they just saw all that show up on their own in their heads?
It's a great show.
Yes, I do.
No, they didn't.
J.J. Abrams is a brilliant man.
J.J. Abrams is a man that came to me and said, "John McCartney Paul Lennon, I'd like to base this TV show on your life."
Star Trek.
You know what? More importantly, what is with that tie on your head like that?
This tie?
Yeah, the tie.
You told me to wear this tie. If I didn't wear this tie, you would kill my cat. Buckles.
You didn't have a cat?
Well, I don't think we have a cat anymore, but looking for Buckles all morning and couldn't find him.
Fucking asshole.
Oh yeah. You forgot my birthday. I kill your cat, then rename it to Tiger, and then drink its blood. So now I have tiger blood and fire-breathing feet. Maggots. I'm done with this. Fucking I have fire-breathing fists and feet.
What the hell? Son of a bitch!